Okay, just to throw some numbers out at you, the amperage rating or the draw on that compressor motor is, get out the manual, I got a spec sheet that I printed out, and this is off of the Engel's website on this model. I don't know if you can see it there, but the compressor rating, this is the rating. Let's see, where is it? Oh, amperage rating, here we go. 1.4 amps at 12 volt DC, or I'm sorry, that's 24 volt. 2.75 amps at 12 volt DC, which is what I am running on my solar generator system. I don't know if that's nominal draw or if that's maximum. I'm assuming that's maximum with the compressor running. So given that the system is approximately 40 amp hours, divide that by, let's say, 3. If I can do the math in my head, it's approximately 15 hours. So without any input into the LFP system, as far as solar or AC input to continuously charge the lithium-ion batteries in this system, with the compressor running at nominal, approximately 3 amps, which I've read that 3 amps is kind of high. It averages, I think, about 1.5 to 2 amps. You should be able to get 15 to 20 hours out of this system without any charging input, whether it's through solar panels or through the provided AC charger. So that's where we're at.